And I wanted to find out from you, where were you at prior to starting the program?
Well, I was, I was in a very, kind of, confusing space because I was, working from home, trying to be a parent to my 3 kids who were distance learning. My husband was teaching from home. I had an added project that was really just put in a lot of hours, and I felt like I was also traveling a lot before, and that was gone. So I felt like, I was kind of lost in this inward world that I was living in with many hours, not enough hours in the day to kind of get my work done.
Yeah, and I know you were really overwhelmed as well.
I really was.
And I know when we spoke, you said that it was good to have somebody mirror back to you and help you reframe and look at things from a different lens.
Absolutely, and that really was what really the program did for me, was create these multiple mirrors. The women that were in the program were all a different mirror to myself, and I was able to kind of reconstruct all of that whole picture back and see myself within my professional ecosystem, see my short-term and long-term goals, see my my space at my home again with my kids, and feel like I had kind of a higher ground vision of where the situation was, and was able to kind of see things in perspective. I also felt that each of these women in the program was a really safe friend who was there for me to be able to like share my my issues, and vice versa, in a very safe environment. And you created that for me, so
Well, thank you. It is so wonderful to see all the growth that you had, and everybody was so much lighter. I mean, everybody was heavy when they started the program, and it's great to see you smiling more and more clarity and less overwhelm. So thank you for being here with me tonight.
you're welcome, and thank you for helping me out.
You're welcome.